Last month, I made $40,253 using affiliate marketing and AI. No ads, no products, no employees. And as you guys can see, this is the proof in my affiliate account payment page, okay? And it's paid. Recent payment request details, it's paid. I already received this payment in my bank account. And as you guys can see here, this is the payment proof. And in this video, I'll break down exactly how I did it step by step so you can copy this system starting today. Because look, I have been doing this business for over 6 years. I know exactly what's working right now in 2026, and what's working right now is AI. Most people doing affiliate marketing right now are still doing everything manually, writing content by hand, creating image one by one, spending hours every day just to make few $100s. I stopped doing that years ago. Right now, I'm using AI to create all my content, to do keyword research, to generate my pin pictures, my video scripts, my email sequence, everything, okay? And the result, $40,253 last month, already paid, already in my account. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact AI system I'm using and how any beginner can start building this from zero today. Stay until the end because I'm going to show you every single step, okay? For people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing using AI, first step, guys, is you need to join an affiliate marketing program. The best one, the profitable one that I'm working with, guys, is Fiverr, okay? It's Fiverr affiliate. So it's super easy. Just go to Google and search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So this will be your Fiverr homepage. Anyone can sign up. Once you do that, just come to this page, scroll down like this, make sure go to company and scroll more and click on affiliate like this. It's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can scroll down to check their commission plan. Okay, so they are really paying, guys, good high commissions. Okay, so for example, for pro services, they are paying, guys, up to 70% of the first order. The best part with this affiliate marketing business is that they keep paying you 10% of future orders, meaning you keep earning 10% revenue share for each purchase the buyers make in the next 12 months. Okay, so for example, if one person buys service from your affiliate link, you will earn 70% of his first order. If the same person will keep buying more services for the next 12 months, for 1 year, you keep earning 10% revenue share. You can turn this into a passive income. For logo services, they are paying $30. For other services, they are paying 25% of the first order, which is a really high commissions. Okay, you guys can check the commission plan here, okay, to make sure. So if you want to create your affiliate account, go back to this page and just click here on join now, okay? And it's gonna take you guys to this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. And as you guys can see, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? Click on yes. And what you will do here is you need to put here your social media page link that you will use to promote those Fiverr services. So for example, if you want to promote those services on YouTube, you can put here your YouTube channel link. You want to promote those services on Pinterest, put here your Pinterest profile link. And the same for other social media platforms. Before you do that, post at least up to 5 videos about Fiverr services that you want to promote. At least post 5 videos. So when they will check your application, they will see that you are already made content for Fiverr and they can approve your application fast. Okay, it's clear. Click here to choose your country and you guys can search for your country from here. You can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, any country. Okay, click here to choose your language, Spanish, English, French, any language that you want. And if you have Telegram account, you can put your Telegram account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. So the sign up process, super easy and simple. Once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. You should see your commissions here. Okay, this is my commissions for the last month. Okay, this is my clicks, CTR, people who used my affiliate link to sign up to Fiverr, people who used my affiliate link to buy those services that I'll share with you, that you can promote also for you as a beginner. Okay, it's clear. So what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting. You need to promote services that can solve problems for people. And the best platform that you guys can start with as a beginner to get high quality traffic is YouTube. Okay, so let's go to YouTube. Go and open a YouTube channel. It's super easy and simple. Anyone can create a YouTube channel and it's for free. Okay, why we choose YouTube, guys? Because YouTube, guys, is getting 30 billion monthly visitors, meaning that millions of people every single day they come to YouTube and they search for topics, they search for solution for their problems. Okay, and YouTube, guys, is search engine platform. It's the second largest search engine platform after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. So if you make a good content and you are using good SEO, you can get traffic, you can get high quality traffic, you can target people, the right audience that will be interested to buy those services from you. Because since it's search engine platform, you don't need to grow your subscribers. All you need to focus on for you is your SEO. It's your script, the keyword that you will use in your script, the keyword in your title, the keyword in your description, tags, and good thumbnail, and you can make a good and engaging YouTube video. You can get traffic and you can make commissions from YouTube. Okay, if you already watched my last videos, I said always that YouTube is the best traffic source for me. Okay, I'm getting high quality traffic from YouTube. Also, guys, YouTube, when you make a video, evergreen video, an SEO optimized video, this video, guys, can keep getting traffic for years. Okay, which makes YouTube really a very, very powerful and gold mine for affiliate marketing. It's not like other social media platforms. It's not like, for example, it's not like TikTok or Instagram. You post a video, the video can go viral just for a short time and it will stop. It will stop generating traffic. On YouTube, no. Since it's a search engine platform, the videos can keep getting traffic for years and keep making you commissions. It's a passive income. Even if you stopped working for a while, for a month, for 2, 3, 5 months, and you already made a lot of videos and optimized SEO videos, evergreen videos, those videos can keep working for you for years. Okay, that's the power of YouTube. Anyway, once you finish creating your YouTube channel, guys, what you will do here is you need to use YouTube search bar to do keyword research. You can find what people are searching for. Then you can go to Fiverr and promote services related to what people searching for. So what you will do here, you will go to private window. Go to this one, click here on you, open a private window like this one. Let me show you. Like this one, okay? And what you will do here, you will click on the search bar and ask question. Let's ask, for example, how to grow, as an example, Instagram. And here you go. You see how to grow Instagram followers. I just typed these questions and YouTube, guys, will give me the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is a report search prediction. This is what people are searching for right now on YouTube. How to grow Instagram followers, how to grow Instagram followers organically, how to grow followers organically, followers and views fast for business. And here you go. So for example, we have a lot, this is a big audience, guys. It's a big audience searching for how to grow Instagram followers. So for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, what you will do, you will go back to Fiverr. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage and click on the search and search for Instagram promotion. Search for services related to what people are searching for on YouTube. Instagram promotion like this. Okay, scroll down and here you go. You will find here a lot of sellers who provide this service. So for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you need to choose good sellers. You need to choose sellers who has a lot of reviews. So because if people click on your affiliate link, they will check the feedback of those sellers. They will check the feedback of their customers. They will check the profile of those sellers. So if you are choosing good sellers who can provide good service for people who will come from your affiliate link, they can buy this service from you and you can earn commissions. Okay, so make sure to choose good sellers. This is super important. So as an example, let me pick one. Let's pick as an example like this one here. This one is Pro Seller, guys, which is really good. He has over 1,000 reviews and this service starting from $100, which is good. I will choose this one. I will click on his service like this. Just click on the seller service that you want to promote, and you will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see this is the proof. Look at this, guys. People already are placing orders, they are already paying for this service. We have here 161 orders in queue. Look, over 5,000 reviews, meaning that over 5,000 people paid for this service using just this one single seller, and people, they can, and people still paying. Okay, so which audience, guys, is paying for those services? Okay, which audience paying for Instagram promotion? It's the same audience. It's this audience on YouTube who search for how to grow Instagram followers. They want to grow their Instagram followers. Okay, it's the same audience. So this audience who search for how to grow Instagram followers, they will be interested, very interested, to buy Instagram promotion from you. Okay, to buy Instagram promotion to grow their followers. Okay, that's how you can make commissions with affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, it's by promoting what people are already searching for on YouTube. Okay, so anyway, what you will do next, for you as a Fiverr affiliate marketer, you will copy this seller profile link like this and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard and click here. Okay, you have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page over here. You will click on deep link and paste this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first affiliate link. This one, guys, Fiverr Pro. If you are promoting pro services, this will be your affiliate link. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Okay, and you can copy your affiliate link from here. If you are promoting level 1, level 2 top rated seller, you will copy your affiliate link from here. So for me, guys, I do have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because like I said in the beginning, I have been doing this business for over 6 years, so I have an old Fiverr affiliate account. That's why I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, but it's the same. Even this one, guys, Fiverr Pro new plan, it's better. Okay, so what you will do next, you have created your affiliate link. What you will do is you will go to YouTube and you will need to create a YouTube channel, and you need to create a YouTube video about this service. Okay, about Instagram promotion. You need to create an engaging YouTube video, guys, that you can use to promote this service on YouTube. Okay, and to create a script. So for me, guys, what I'm using is I use Cloud. Okay, you can use, guys, Cloud AI, okay, to create an engaging YouTube script. So Cloud is very powerful for YouTube script and will help you to create an engaging YouTube script. Once you create your script using Cloud, you can go to 11 Labs AI website. Okay, and you can turn this script into voiceover. Okay, so once you turn the script into voiceover, you need to create a video, and you can use the other free AI tools that will help you to create a video. Okay, and you can use also, guys, Google Gemini. I'm already using Google Gemini to create my thumbnails. You can use Google Gemini also, guys, for the titles, for description, for tags, and you can use completely just AI tools to create a full video. Okay, then once you finish your video, you can go back to YouTube and upload this video in your YouTube channel, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account to copy your affiliate link from here. This one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here and paste your affiliate link in your video description. You don't need a landing page, you don't need a website, and you guys can start this business right now using fully AI. Okay, and for people who want to take this business seriously, I do have, guys, an affiliate marketing course. I explain it how you can use AI to run your affiliate marketing business, how you can use AI for script, how you can use AI for keyword research, how you can use AI to create content. You also get access to me and my team, so we make sure you can reach out to me whenever you have any problems or you made any mistakes. You can reach out to me, so I will follow up with you and make sure you are applying the system correctly. Okay, that's what makes the difference between my course and other people courses. They give you the info and they leave. For me, not. I'm giving you the info, and plus I'm following up with you, okay, to make sure you are doing everything correctly. Okay, if you are interested, you want to take this business seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I'll send you all the details. Okay, because what's working right now, guys, it's AI. You guys know that. You should start using AI in your business. If you are not using AI, you can't scale and you are losing so much money. Okay, and without AI, guys, I can't hit $40,000 a month. Okay, It's by AI, because AI is helping me to create so much content in short time, completely fast. Okay, that's the power of AI, and that's when once I started using AI, my affiliate marketing business is growing fast, month over month. Okay. Anyway, if you want to take it seriously, you can reach out to me in my email address and I'll send you all the details. Also, you can go and watch my videos, my videos that I already uploaded. They will help you a lot to make your first commissions. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and see you in the next one.